Hotlists are TradingView's built-in lists of the day's biggest movers, top gainers, top losers, highest volume, and much more. They're free, but most beginners never open them, so here's how to use them. It's super simple. All you have to do is open TradingView, hop on a chart, and then just go to Shift plus W. Now you're on the Hotlists tab. You'll notice on the top right, there's a country. By default, it's the USA. Simply click on here, and then you can switch it to whatever country you want, and then it'll automatically give you the option to switch to that country's exchanges. Let's go back to the US. Let's look at the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. Now we can filter by its top volume gainers and multiple different things such as gap gainers, gap losers, percent range gainers. But first, let's start with volume gainers. It's very simple. You just click on it. Now, on the right side of your screen, a watch list will pop up. The great thing about this is that you can see that it's locked right now. But if you want to edit this, all you do is click on the name up top and then simply click Make a Copy. Let's make a copy and let's just call it Q. Then click on Make Copy. Awesome. Now, there's also much more features. Let's say that we want to add this to another watch list or look at its financials. All we do is right click. Now we can add it to a watch list. We can compare it with another symbol. We can go to the financials. We can even add notes to it. You can do this with every single symbol in this watch list. That's why these hot lists are so amazing, because you don't have to go out and find every single one because TradingView automatically does it for you. Have a great day, guys.